Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun.
Hey everyone. I've literally been the laziest bitch this morning. Like, I just have no motivation to do anything. It's like I always get like into phases of like this when I'm at uni where I literally just can't be bothered to do anything, and I just want to like laze around all day, and it's so shit because I feel like uni students have this like constant pressure that they have to be like busy and productive and motivated every single day. It's quite a struggle, but yeah, it's literally 12:30 now and I just haven't done anything. I just had a delivery from Degusta box. There's going to be a lot of food in today's vlog because I've got an online food shop coming later, which will be exciting to share because I feel like I haven't done like a proper online food shop in a while, like a big food shop haul. So hopefully some of you guys get a little bit of inspiration from the bits and pieces that I've got. I feel like I need some good food inspiration because I feel like I'm just eating the same shit and it's getting boring, and I'm getting like, oh, I can't be asked to make that. I'm just in a bit of a rut. But I thought I would share this little Degusta box. So for those of you that are new, probably not a lot of you, but you'll know that I get these Degusta boxes every month. This is kindly gifted to me now, but I have been buying these for like a year and a half, and I've only recently been put on their PR list. Finally. I feel like I deserve it. I've been buying these for so long and just promote them constantly because I love the idea of it. They basically send you loads of food and drink every single month, lots of new bits to try, like healthy bits and pieces, and it's relatively cheap as well. I'll leave my code down below in case you want to get like your first box for half price. But yeah, lots of fun things in this month's box. So we've got 3 of these broccoli crisps. We've got Growers Garden broccoli crisps. So these are like the originals. Then we've got broccoli crisps with cheese and then with chili. I think these chili ones are going to be my favourite because I like the heat. But yeah, really intrigued to try them. I'll obviously share loads of these snacks with you in like the upcoming vlogs if I actually enjoy them. Then I've got like 3 different types of tea. So we've got chamomile, fennel and lemongrass. I'm really excited for the lemongrass one because me and Aiden had lemongrass tea in Bali and we actually bought some because we loved it so much. So I'm really excited about that. And they've got like different, like, so this one's Bounce. It's from a brand called TikTok. Yeah, this one says Bounce, so I'm assuming it's like the lemongrass is like an energizing tea. Then we've got Balance with the fennel one, so it's like cleanser system, and then the chamomile is a bedtime tea. So absolutely love that. Me, Megan and her, I'm sure will get a lot of use out of it. I've got a Boost protein bar, which I'm very excited. I'm literally going to eat this in a second because I love Boost bars. We've got 2 of these gourmet drops, which we were buzzing about when we opened it downstairs. So I've got a vanilla gourmet drops and chocolate gourmet drops, and they're like coffee syrups. So it can add a little flavour to our coffees, which is fab. So we can make our own like fancy coffees with our coffee machines. I've got these Pips chocolate coins, and they're like hot chocolates that you can just like melt in water or milk or whatever. And this is the classic one. We've got a hazelnut praline and a chocolate orange. Yummy. And then we've got some Whitworth's shots, chocolate and hazelnut. I'm assuming these are like little bars, little packets of like for snacks, but I'm not a massive fan of these because I've got raisins in and I don't like raisins, so I'm probably going to give this to Hat. Then we've got some maple syrup, which is going to be yummy. I need to start getting some pancakes and start making pancakes more often because I really like having them for like breakfast. So yeah, maple syrup, yum. And we've got these that I'm not a massive fan of, but they will go to use somewhere. So we've got honey mustard and tartar sauce from the brand Mail. Lots of like fab products. Like, I've got so much stuff. It's so much stuff for what you're paying for, basically. And then we've got these Snaps Mediterranean snack garlic and parsley like crisps. Huge packet, by the way. This is. I'm really excited to try this out. Lots of like vegan snacks actually in this box. Then we've got this Amy's Kitchen hearty organic rustic Italian vegetable soup. It's quite a big tin as well actually. And then finally, we've got this Upbeat vitamin enriched protein water in the flavour blood orange and mandarin. I've had this before and I absolutely love it from like earlier Degusta boxes this year. Absolutely love these drinks. Like, I'd highly recommend them. It says enriched hydration for strength, energy and mental performance. So I'm gonna take that to the gym with me later, I think. But yeah, that's this month's Degusta box. I'll remember to share with you lots of like the snacks and bits and pieces throughout my week when I'm trying them out. I'm sure we'll get a lot of use out of this month's box. I think that has been like a really good box, and I think they have like little themes every month, like, or like a lot of months there are like themes, and this one was like inspired by the Danish, what is it? It's for like relaxation, like I don't know how you say it, but it's spelled like Hyggge. And it was all about like warmth and relaxing, and I've got all the teas, all the little like snacks and nibbly bits. Just a very good box. So yeah, I've got my little elephant. Some people pointed this out in the vlog from like last week, and I always cuddle this. I won it in like an arcade when I was on holiday with my family like a few years ago. Like, me and Aidan won it at an arcade, and it's like a little elephant like this, but it like folds out into a pillow, and I always cuddle it. It's just really soothing. Like my little child. Okay, I need to get on with my day, so I actually do stuff. I'm really determined to finish my project list today because of the busy rest of the week I have. Like, I've got Leah coming around tomorrow, which is so exciting. If you didn't know, Leah is on my management, Leah Turner. You should definitely check her out. She is the loveliest girl. She's coming to Lincoln to see me for the day. We're gonna go and explore, and it'll be a nice vlog for some of you who maybe not have been to Lincoln before, or are thinking about coming to uni here, or just to see things you can do in Lincoln. I think we're planning on going to lots of like coffee shops, walking up to the cathedral, lots of bits and pieces. So yeah, tomorrow's vlog will be a nice little exploring Lincoln vid. But yeah, for now I'm going to go probably make some lunch and do a bit of editing before I start my uni work. Right, so I am just about to head off to uni. I've got a 2-hour drugs and toxicology lecture, so I'm gonna go to that. I think it's on like sampling, like drug sampling, and I've also took my gym kit as well because I'm gonna go to the gym afterwards, meet Carrie. We've decided that Tuesdays are gonna be our days for like going to the gym straight after my lectures and after she finishes work, so we've got a little routine going. To get out.
Yeah, I think I've got like minor claustrophobia.
Maybe.
Basically in my hair.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm excited to have a shower.
I was having a meltdown because I didn't. Did you have that on video? I had a scrunchie in my hair at work. We came straight from work, and I.
You've lost it.
Must have left it at work or lost it on the way. Yeah. And I've had to work out with my hair like down the side of my neck.
Right.
Disgusting.
We did more than we were planning on doing though.
Yeah, we've been there half an hour or
yeah. We just wanted to do, we just wanted to do something quick because we were both knackered. Like, honestly, my lecture was draining anyway.
I've done like 15,000 steps today.
That's crazy. Harry had the busiest day at work ever, and
we're so dry.
ever. And
but we still went.
Yeah, and my lecture, the lecture room was boiling. She was like, take a break, because it was like a 2-hour lecture, and me and Eve went outside and we were like, fuck me. Fuck me, it's so boiling in there. I thought I was gonna fall asleep or pass out, like either one. So yeah, both would be embarrassing as fuck. I think I'd rather faint, because then there'd be like a reason. Do you know what I mean? I think I'd rather faint than sleep.
I'd rather fall asleep.
No, because if you slept and then you like went yeah. That would be more embarrassing than fainting, because there's like a reason that you're on the floor. Yeah. Do you know what I mean? I might get like the attention that I crave so badly. She's fainted, and I'll be like, yeah. Yeah, that was me. Bring me a water. Fuck's sake. Yeah, I'm that girl who fainted in the lecture. That was me. That was I. Oh god, I would never go back to lectures if I fainted in there. I've just dropped the girl. Oh god. I think you'd probably get an instant first from your lecturer. That's the girl who fainted, right? Yeah, we're just sort of planning our life away. I said about how that event got cancelled yesterday night. I was like, I'm fuming. I was like, the first time I actually booked tickets a bit earlier because like cheaper. We're gonna decide something. Yeah. We'll go for just a nice, maybe nicer dinner, nice dinner, drinks or something. We'll figure it out.
We get so like obsessed with like content that we can actually just have a
nice day together,
friendship day. Hang out as normal people.
But yeah, I'll be with Carrie on Thursday and we'll have a nice day in Knots.
Yeah.
Any suggestions welcome. So I've just got back from the gym. Sorry that the lighting's a bit weird, but this is like the best place for me to put you in the kitchen. Me and Carrie just did a bit of cardio because we weren't really feeling it. We were literally so tired, but I'm so glad we like forced ourselves to go. Yeah, super dark now. It's like 7:30 and I wanted to do a little Tesco food haul. So me, Megan and Hattie bought like a big food order. We usually do like online orders because it's so much easier because we don't have a car. So doing like a big food shop, like a bulk food shop, is really difficult because all of this like big supermarkets are quite far away and it's like hard to carry everything without having to like buy a taxi and stuff. So we've got an online food shop from Tesco this time. We usually go with Tesco because they have really good like Tesco's own do like really good own branded stuff. I thought I would share with you what I've got. So my food shop came to like £18, which is pretty good. I have lots of stuff. This is what I've got in my cupboard at the minute in case anyone cares. So I've got like beans, soups, Tesco's own baked beans, which are really good. Uncle Ben's Mexican rice. I've got a peri-peri chicken, seasoning shake. I've got some breakfast cereal bars from Herbalife. Just a couple of like chalky bits. And then down here I've got loads of different types of pasta like fusilli, penne, rigatoni. They're my like 3 faves. I've got some veggie stock cubes, pickled onions, couscous and chia seeds. But yeah, I had to get lots of like fresh stuff and bits and pieces. So I've got, sorry about all this random stuff. I've got some wholemeal pita breads and some sweet chili hummus. This is like my fave snack ever, or like even lunch or whatever. I've got bananas and grapes because they're my like favourite fruits to snack on. If I'm making a smoothie, I'll go for my frozen berries. Then I've got some ciabatta rolls. I've got some Tesco's own sweet and sour cooking sauce, and then some Tesco's own tomato and chilli pasta sauce. I've got some rocket and baby leaf salad, some Dairy Dunkers because they're my faves. Then I've got the Tesco's own wholemeal rice. I actually really rate this stuff. Like I absolutely love the taste of it. I think because it has like, it says it's got a nutty bite, and I think that might be what I love. But yeah, it's all green, which is kind of good, and it's vegan obviously. And then we've got this is like my naughty thing. I've got a cheese and garlic flatbread, and I've got some more of the tofu, Company's tofu that I used a couple weeks ago. It is £2, so like this is like my most expensive item, but I do love it, and I don't really like buying meat to cook in. I only really eat like chicken and stuff when I'm out. And then I've got some curly kale and lots of apple juice. Very, very happy with this little order. I literally look like the biggest egg I've ever seen. I'm just about to hop in the shower. Just had some rice for dinner. I just didn't really fancy anything much, and I really like that whole grain rice. I had that for dinner. Lovely. And now I'm just gonna get in the shower, do a little bit of work before I go to bed, and organise myself for the morning because I get to see Leah. I'm really excited. You need to watch her videos. She's just such a lovely girl, and I'm just buzzing to meet her. We've never met before, we've FaceTimed and stuff. She's just so lovely. She's just someone I need in my life, so I'm very excited to meet her. I'm also going to check and reply to comments and stuff because my glossy box video went live and my family visiting me vlog went live, so I'm going to reply to all the comments. I just need to refresh myself because look at this. Greasy, sweaty mess. Just been tidying my room. I'm just watching Sid and Elle's New York vlog. I'm thoroughly enjoying it. I'm just gonna go to bed any second now though because I'm absolutely knackered, and I wanna wake up early tomorrow so I can get ready to meet Leah at the station. I'm so excited. So make sure you're on for tomorrow's vlog because you'll be able to get to meet Leah, and she's so lovely, and I'll be showing you lots of bits of Lincoln in a vlog, which will be nice. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Make sure to hit the thumbs up if you've been enjoying the vlogs. I've really appreciated all of your like Instagram messages and comments. Like I literally just love replying to everyone and saying thank you for all of the support because it's just crazy how much I've progressed in the past year. So yeah, thank you, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.